In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in the client portal on Teamwork. Whether you're streamlining processes or simply trying to enhance team collaboration, incorporating efficient workflows can undoubtedly elevate your project management experience. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First off, open your preferred web browser and type Teamwork into the search bar. Among the search results, you'll want to click on the very first one, or alternatively, go directly to their site at teamwork.com. Once you've arrived at the home page, it's time to log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready so that this step is seamless. After logging in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. You should see a profile icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Settings. This is where all the magic begins, as we start crafting your customized workflows. Within the settings, you'll notice several tabs. What you want to do is head over to the one titled Workflows. Once you're here, look for the Add Workflow button. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter a name for your workflow. Think of something intuitive, representing the process you want to streamline. Once you've settled on the name, hit the Enter key to confirm. With your new workflow now created, the next step involves adding stages. You'll see an option to Add Stage. Your workflow might have multiple stages, so go ahead and enter a descriptive name for each stage required. This is crucial as it defines the flow from one part of your project to another, making it easier for your team to follow along. Once your stages are defined, it's time to apply this workflow to specific projects. Scroll down to the bottom of the panel and click Apply to Projects. Here, you'll be presented with a list in the Select Projects field. Check the boxes next to the projects where you'd like to implement this workflow. Click Apply Workflow. But here's something to note. If the projects you're applying the workflow to already had one in place, the system will prompt you to map the old stages to the new ones. This is a crucial step to ensure continuity without disrupting ongoing tasks. Click the first Select Stage field to match the previous stage's tasks to a stage in your new workflow. Repeat this mapping process for any remaining stages that require it. After ensuring all tasks have their designated spots in the new workflow, finalize the process by clicking Apply Workflow once more. This will officially implement the changes and redistribute the tasks according to your newly created stages. And there you have it. With these steps complete, you now have a fully functioning workflow in the client portal on Teamwork. This setup should help your team stay organized and streamline your projects efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy workflow organizing.